If I say the height of
Could we discuss the topic named? Okay. So today we discussed the topic in the last unit, uh, namely the mobile ad hoc network. मोबाइल एडॉक नेटवर्क क्या होता है और इसको हम लोग समझते हैं। ये नेक्स्ट टॉपिक आपका ट्रांजिशन मैनेजमेंट के बाद दिया हुआ है। तो मोबाइल एडॉक नेटवर्क इसको हम लोग मैनेट के नाम से जानते हैं, MENETS, मोबाइल एडॉक नेटवर्क। M फॉर मोबाइल, A फॉर एडॉक और N फॉर नेट, एनी नेटवर्क। तो मैनेट क्या होते हैं हमको समझते हैं। आज इसका टॉपिक है कि व्हाट इज द मैनेट्स, फीचर्स ऑफ मैनेट्स। तो मोबाइल एडॉक नेटवर्क्स जो हैं बेसिकली मोबाइल मैनेट, मोबाइल एडॉक नेटवर्क को कॉल्ड ए वायरलेस एडॉक नेटवर्क। इसको हम लोग वायरलेस एडॉक नेटवर्क के नाम से भी जानते हैं कि जो आपका विदाउट वायर्ड कनेक्शन है। जैसे आपके डायग्राम में भी शो हो रहा है कि चीजें जो ये फिजिकली नहीं कनेक्टेड हैं, ये आपके वायरलेस कनेक्शन है among various mobile nodes. Here we some mobile devices, mobile nodes, laptop, no, palm top, tablets, anything. So mobile network is mobile adult वायरलेस नेटवर्क भी बोलते हैं। तो MANET stands for Mobile Ad Hoc Network, also called a wireless ad hoc network or ad hoc wireless network, that usually has a routable network environment on the top of the link layer ad hoc network. बेसिकली जो आपका मोबाइल वायरलेस ad hoc नेटवर्क एस्टेब्लिश किया जाता है, उसमें जो एस्टेब्लिशमेंट है उसमें वायरलेस कनेक्शन होते हैं, लेकिन साथ ही साथ वो जो नोड्स होते हैं उनमें आपका रूटेबल एक एप्रोप्रिएट पाथ फॉलो किया जाता है फॉर ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ द इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम वन नोड टू अनदर नोड। नेटवर्क फॉलो स्पेसिफिक पाथ, राउटिंग प्रोसेस फॉलो करता है। और ये जो नेटवर्क की वेरियस 7 लेयर्स होती हैं, लिंक लेयर के पहले, फॉर before establishing the actual connection from receiver from server, this routable path follow. After before establishing the connection, the appropriate path follow with the help of several routing procedures. That's why written here the top of the link layer ad hoc network. They consist of a set of mobile nodes connected wirelessly in self-configure. Ad hoc network is the collection of several nodes which are connected wirelessly. They are not connected physically. Wireless connection established among the various nodes, and they are self-configured. Establishing the connection, finding the appropriate path for the receiver, self-configured procedure follow here. Self-healing network without having a fixed infrastructure. In the ad hoc network, ad hoc simple meaning is temporary. Here the not all the network infrastructure is not fixed. Undefined infrastructure. There is no fixed infrastructure for ad hoc network. In the ad hoc network, various nodes are connected in the wirelessly in the self-configured and self-healing network without having the fixed infrastructure network. As far as properties of ad hoc network consider, that ad hoc network, all the nodes are connected wireless network connection. They are self-configured, and network without a fixed infrastructure. There is no specified infrastructure for the ad hoc network. Manet nodes are free to move randomly as network topology changes frequently. The nodes are not fixed; they are movable. Mobility features built in the wireless in the ad hoc network. The nodes are flexible, move from one region to another region, but the movement of that particular nodes are not affected the overall performance of the network. The Manet nodes are free to move randomly. This is the feature of a Manet network, mobile ad hoc network, that the nodes are movable randomly as the network topology changes frequently. As the infrastructure changes according to the situation, the nodes are moved frequently. There is no foundation for the fix of the appropriate node. Each node behaves a router as they forward traffic to other specified node on the network. Each and every node of the mobile ad hoc network is each and every nodes in the ad hoc network treat as a router. It must select the proper path for information transmission connecting the several nodes. Each node behaves like a router as they forward traffic to other specified node in the network. In the network, each and every node behave like a router. These are the several properties of the ad hoc network. In a simple mobile ad hoc network structure shown here, there are several type of mobile nodes, uh, different model number, model size, tablet, mobile phone, satellite phone, anything, any mobile node connected in the that particular network. Mobile ad hoc network, simple structure in the again Manet, how the operation done in the Manet network. Now we discuss the uh, earlier we discussed what are the various features of the mobile network and how the network is established. Next we what are the operations, how the operation actual operation done in the mobile network. Manet may operate as a standalone fashion, or they can be the part of the large internet. Manet, if we establish the mobile ad hoc network, work single infrastructure or a part of the large internet. एक single Manet can be prepared or a part of large internet network can be maintained by the Manets. They form highly dynamic autonomous topology with the presence of one or a multiple different transceivers multi-node. The main structure of the mobile ad hoc network is that in the mobile ad hoc network, the the network form highly dynamic autonomous topology. They form such a way that highly dynamic autonomous topology used with the presence of one or multiple different transceiver between nodes. In the ad hoc network, several transceivers. Transceivers are the hardware which is responsible to transmit the data from one node to another node. In the mobile ad hoc network, they are highly dynamic autonomous topology used, and multiple transceivers are used for establishing the connection between the several nodes in the ad hoc network. The main challenge for the Manets is to equip each devices to continuously maintain the information required to properly route traffic. What are the basic challenge in the maintaining the mobile network? If you create the mobile ad hoc network Manets, then the main challenge for that particular Manets, each device uh, each device is continuously maintain the information required to the router. Each and every device behave like a router. Each and every mobile nodes behave like a router, and the information required to properly route the traffic. Nodes are required to transmit the information properly in the traffic. The management of this the mobile ad hoc network. That the MANET is to equipped in each MANET are maintained in such a way that each devices is continuously maintain the information required to properly route traffic. Each and every device continuously maintain the information required to properly traffic. किसी भी एडॉक नेटवर्क के अंदर जो मैनेट है उसका सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम ये है, चैलेंज ये है कि हमें इस तरह से मैनेजमेंट करना पड़ता है, इस तरह से मोबाइल नेटवर्क मेंटेन करना पड़ता है कि ईच एंड एवरी नोड जो है, हर नोड जो है वो एक राउटर की तरह बिहेव करेगा और इंफॉर्मेशन शेयरिंग या पर्टिकुलर पाथ सिलेक्शन फॉर प्रॉपरली राउट ट्रैफिक and the node behave like a router and selects the appropriate path in the traffic. MANET consists of peer-to-peer self-forming, self-healing network. In the MANET or mobile ad hoc network, the peer-to-peer connection, one node to one node, all the nodes are connected in the single network, but the one time one node connected to the another node, peer-to-peer network, and they are self-forming. Self-forming. How it is done? Each node acted like a router, and it decided to select the proper path for the sending the information. Self-forming feature is also available. Self-healing network. Self-healing network. If any problem occur in appropriate path in the single path, then the particular node is ability to transfer the path from sending the information. That self-healing network MANETs available. These are the main features of MANET. Peer-to-peer connection are available. Self-forming, self-healing network MANETs. 2015 typically communicate at the radio frequency. They are work in the radio frequency up to the range of 30 megahertz to 5 gigahertz. These are the certain data value that an ad hoc network MANETs are working on the radio frequency of 30 megahertz to 5 gigahertz फ्रीक्वेंसी को ये यूज करते हैं. तो ये आपका आ सकता है कि आप कितने फ्रीक्वेंसी का यूज मैनेट के लिए यूज करते हैं. तो इसकी जो रेंज होती है वो फ्रीक्वेंसी की वो 30 मेगाहर्ट्ज से लेके 5 गीगाहर्ट्ज तक की हो सकती है. दिस कैन बी यूज टू अब now we after discussing the working of the MANET and how the challenge of the MANET and what are the basic features like peer-to-peer connection, self-forming and self-healing network of mobile network, and the property that the frequency range of 30 megahertz to 5 gigahertz used in the MANETs. What are the basic applications where ad hoc network are used? The mobile ad hoc network are used in the road safety, ranging from sensors for the environment, home, health, disaster rescue operations, air, land, navy, defense, weapons, robot. Multiple real life applications are built for the ad hoc network. Each and every network made by this, like a road traffic. If you automated traffic system management system, then it uses the ad hoc network. If multiple sensors are used, like biometric sensor, atmospheric sensor, temperatures, any other sensors data collected from the real world, then the mobile network is used. Various home devices are used, like in the home with the like single wireless router connected with the several TV devices, AC, any home appliances connected to that particular mobile network. Health sector, disaster rescue operations, any problem in the natural calamities or disaster management system for mobile ad hoc network. Air, land, navy, defense. Also, mobile ad hoc network used for the establishing the air, land or navy defense, weapons, robots, and so many. There are so many use of real life applications of where the mobile ad hoc network MANETs are used. A MANET consists of an Now we discuss the several points regarding the minutes or features or advantages. Minute consists of a number of mobile devices that come together from a network. Various mobile devices, multiple type of devices are used for to establish mobile network. Minute can define the autonomous system of a nodes. Autonomous system of a node. Wireless connections, are established in the mobile network. These contrast the well-known single hop wireless network that support the needs wireless communication between the two mobile nodes released on the wired backbone of the system. Managed has no such infrastructure, fixed infrastructure. Managed is basically to peer-to-peer multi-hop wireless network in the which information packets are transmitted stored form a manner. This is the first physical block diagram of a mobile network, ad hoc network. MS various mobile stations transceivers are available. Asymmetric links shown in the these uh, dotted line. Asymmetric links they are not a real time affection, exact time implementation on the receiver or sender end. This is the symmetric link, control link. As the node moves, the connectivity may change based on the relative location of the node. As we know that the mobile node, several nodes are capable to move in the network. And if we are moving, then connectivity change issue maintained in the mobile network. The change in the network topology, local level must be passed to the old topologies information can be uploaded. In diagram, various mobile cells, uh, nodes are part of network should be used new route forward packets. Not possible having all nodes within each other's radio range. In case all the nodes are close by with the each other radio range, there are no periodic issues. Characteristics of what are the main features of the mobile? If mobile network are used, then what are the main benefits for that particular network? As far as benefits are concerned, characteristics of minutes are concerned, that first is dynamic topology. First property is mobile network is a dynamic topology. The network topology, which is typically multi-hop, may change randomly and rapidly with the time. In the mobile network, the topologies are not fixed. They are changed randomly, rapidly with the time. Frequently, we change the topologies and infrastructure. It can form a unidirectional or bidirectional links. Single directional sending receiving information into place or bidirectional both directions information sending and receiving available for the mobile network. So minutes are main feature. They are dynamic topologies support. Next feature, bandwidth constraint variable capacity links. The bandwidth is a major uh, concern in the mobile nodes. The mobile minutes uses a bandwidth constraint variable capacity links. Wireless link usually have a lower reliability, efficiency, stability, capacity. Any mobile node, जो कोई मोबाइल आपका नोड है वो reliability, efficiency, stability, capacity, these are properties considered in the wireless network. Throughout the wireless communication is even less than a radio maximum transmission rate after dealing with the constraint like multiple access, noise, interference conditions. Any real-time problem, noise, interference conditions, or any limitation which are usually incurred in the wireless network, the reliability, efficiency, stability, capacity, these constraint in for the mobile network also considered, also means maintained in the minutes. Autonomous behavior. Autonomous behavior says that each node can act as a host and router. Mobile network, there is a peer-to-peer connection. Each and every node act as a host or router. No one is a server, no one is the client. Where each and every node is treated as a host, capable to sending the information and receiving the information, and behave like a router. Ability to select the proper path, which shows its autonomous behavior. Due to this, nodes behave like a autonomous behavior. Each and every node is independent in the minutes. Next feature is energy constraint operation. Minutes provide the energy constraint operations. Energy constraint operation, as we know that the mobile nodes, each and every mobile nodes having the battery dependency. Mobile phones are dependent on the battery storage. The limited charge available for that particular device. Due to the limited power supply or a power backup for mobile nodes, they provide minutes provides the uh, all nodes really and batteries or other suitable means the energy. Mobile nodes are characteristically less memory power, and each and every nodes have a limited battery backup, uh, uh, lightweight features, versatile nature, less memory, minimum power supply. These limitations considered as a constraint in the mobile ad hoc network. Demands limited security. Mobile dog network provide a limited security. Wireless networks are more prone to the security threats. In the mobile, when the data is transferred, then it is less secure. Security threats are available for mobile network transmission. Centralized firewall is absent due to the distributed network. As we compare the client server architecture, then there are the centralized firewall established for the security of the information. But in the network, there are centralized firewall is absent due to the disconnected nature of the mobile network. Security, routing, host configuration, these threats are for mobile networks. So they provide the limited security. The critical information are not secure for transmitting information in the minutes. Less human intervention. Less human intervention. Minutes require minimum human intervention to configure the network. Therefore, they are dynamically autonomous in nature. The minutes not dependent on the human interaction, because if we minimize the human interaction, then we create increase the efficiency. While minutes are less human intervention, they in the minutes they require a minimum number of human intervention. Configuring the network and establishing the dynamic network autonomous in the nature are maintained by the system, by the nodes, not user dependent. While minutes are dynamic topologies, they support the dynamic topologies. Nodes are free to move everything. Any node can move any region. Changes randomly and unpredictably. Primarily consists of bidirectional links. They are unidirectional or bidirectional. Both are applicable for dynamic topologies. In some cases, transmission power of the two nodes are different. If the transmission power are different from the two nodes, then they become unidirectional. Once send the data, then wait for the response, then after that sending the another. Uh, uh, bandwidth, bandwidth constraint and variant capacity link. Minutes are designed in such a way that if mobile devices are limited bandwidth, they capable to store the users the low capacity range information. Wireless team continue to have the significantly low capacity than infrastructure network. Energy constraint operations. Energy constraint operations, mobile stations or minutes rely on the battery of the executive will mean energy for these nodes devices. The most battery uh, important system design, optimized criteria, energy conservation. As we know that the mobile nodes are dependent on this limited battery backup. So they in the mobile ad hoc network proper energy conservation uh, process and backup uh, power backup features are also integrated in this. Minutes minutes provide a limited physical security. Limited physical security minutes are generally more prone to the physical security threats with a wire link network. As simple networks, the security threats are more than normal network. Increased possibility of eavesdropping, spoofing. Some problems in the wireless networks are shown here, like eavesdropping. Somebody who is not authorized accessing your credentials or informations. Spoofing, silently uh, keeping the information from the network. Spoofing, denial of services, any external effect or a virus effect for that information. These threats are also affected in the minutes. To reduce security threats, many existing security techniques are often applied to the wireless network. In the wireless network, we always consider this several security mechanisms. These features characteristics of minutes in if we consider the lots of advantages and as well as some disadvantages of also available in the minutes. So we define the as we categorize the pros and cons of the minutes. Minutes are separation from a central network administration. Minutes helps separation from central network administration. The total management of centrally is distributed among all the nodes. Separation of central network administration is a benefit of minutes. Each node can play both roles. Each and every node is important, and each and every node behave like a host, a router. It involve in the selecting the path, sending the information, receiving the information. Router and host showing autonomous and make the network autonomous in nature. Self-configuring is self-healing nodes, does not require human intervention. The overall network is automated. Self-configuration, the each and every node self-configure the nearest node and establishing this connection between nodes and self-healing nature. If as we discussed this topic earlier, that the if any node is not faulted, alternative path selected for that particular node. It does not require human intervention. Mobile managed network does not require any human intervention. Due to this, the whole network is automated and fully controlled. These are the several benefits, and as far as cons or limitations are discussed, resources are limited due to the various constraints. Minutes uses the several resources which are limited in the nature. Resources are limited due to the various constraints like noise, interference conditions. Several resources which are used in the mobile network are uh, several uh, constraints like noise, interference conditions, lack of authorized facilities. Authorization, lack of authorized facilities are various problems occur in the wireless connections also occurred in this minutes. More prone to attacks due to the limited physical security. The security is the major concern in the minutes. They are not appropriate, and again a challenge in the minutes security. They are affected by the security threats. Mobile applications are yeah. This topic also comes in this. Mobile applications are used several areas like into industrial, commercial applications, corporate mobile data exchange, defense, military network requirement, robots, there are many existing future military. In the future, technology also based on the minutes, like military network requirement for robust IP complaint data services, mobile wireless communication network, highly dynamic autonomous topology segments, advanced feature of more like data rates, advanced feature of mobile and ad hoc networks are including data rates compatible with the multiple applications, multimedia application, global roaming capabilities are used for mobile network. Defense applications are also maintained in the mobile network. Ad hoc network is excellent candidates, battlefield movement, manless war, crisis management applications, if any natural disaster or any problem where the possibility of human involvement is nil, yeah, or dangerous, then there we use a mobile ad hoc network. Telemedicine. In the telemedicine area, the pandemic existing can offer traffic accident, remote assistant, emergency intervention, uh, any medical or any diagnostic test. Each and every uh, constraint of health sector also concerned for net. Tele geoprocessing applications like GPS, GIS, geographical information system, high capacity wireless mobile systems are used for the geoprocessing applications. Visual navigations. Visual navigations, the remote database contain the geographical location of building, state, physical characteristics, large metropolitans. Virtual navigations are possible for the education or internet educational opportunity available for internet or remote areas. Uh, Regular area network. It also possible to various vehicle interconnected with the establishing the ad hoc network. Okay, so this is that's all for all the mobile network feature. We discussed what are the main feature of mobile network, how the mobile ad hoc network is established, the major constraint, major problems for the challenges of the mobile ad hoc network, their properties, advantages, disadvantages. These are all the features of mobile network which are discussed.